Drop the French fries, not one more. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do blistered shishito peppers. In Japanese, it's called shishito peppers. In Korean, it's called gwali gochu or gwali peppers. Gwali as in Talib Kweli. Any hip hop heads out there? And in Europe, perhaps the US, it's been a while since I visited, it's called padron peppers. We had it for the first time in Lisbon and it was so good. Like Katie was like slowly eating like one piece with a knife and I had already finished the other 6 and she just looked at me with disgust. Alright, so what do these Gwali peppers look like? These shishito peppers, take a look. They're crinkled up. It's not flat, right? It's not smooth. When you buy these peppers, you want to make sure they're firm, right? They have a little bit of resistance, right? They'll come back. Boom. And of course, the important thing, these peppers are not spicy. I'll take a bite. Not spicy at all. And then there's a popular saying that 1 in 10, like 10% of the population of these are pretty hot. So you might get lucky and add some spice to your life. That's the way I see it. All right, guys, I've tested this out a few times, and I think the best way to do it is to toss this in oil first. And I prefer that than putting a lot of oil in the pan, which just turns the peppers very oily. So I'll just put in a little bit of olive oil. All right, I think that looks good. A pinch of kosher salt. We want to use like the flaky salt, tastes better. Then some black pepper. Don't put in too much salt and pepper now because we're going to give it one more after it comes off the pan. All right, let's just mix it into the oil. Let's get our heat on. Get this on medium-high heat. If you have a cast iron, it works really great in that. But to be honest, I don't want to clean that and then put oil over it, store it too much. So I'm going to just use a regular frying pan that I have. And then we want it to get fairly hot. That way when the oil comes, it starts cooking these things fast. All right, and now let's put in our shishito peppers. What you want to do is constantly move this so that it doesn't blister in one spot too much and burn, right? And you see the little blistering that's happening. So don't go anywhere. As you can see, you don't want to burn your house down making these peppers. Keep moving them. You can also use a spatula to move them around. All right, and we're getting there. Maybe 15 or 20 more seconds. All right, and take a look. That's perfect for me. Oh man, wonderful. Wonderful. You want to hit it with a little bit more salt here, a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to cut a little piece of lemon, give it a little squeeze here. All right, and in case your guests want a little bit more, just put that there. Not spicy at all. Get a little bit of the salt and the pepper. This is just perfect. If I had like a nice juicy burger. At the restaurant that we had it, they had a little bit of like a sriracha mayonnaise kind of dip. You can add it, makes it taste even better, but salt and pepper, it's enough. It's perfect. Wow, I would say these are like the new edamame. Super easy, super bad. Oh, 1 in 10. 1 in 10. That was the spicy one out of the batch. Woo! Neighbors, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stop eating those French fries. Eat more of these Gwali peppers.